Good morning children. My name is Sailaja. I am your EVS teacher. Now coming to 4th class, our first lesson is our country. Yes children, do you know for which country we belong to? Yes, we belong to the country India. And the citizens of the country and the citizens of our country India are known as Indians. So the other name of the India is Bharat. What is the other name of our country? Bharat. Okay. Now see children, here I have written some national symbols. Tiger, 4 lions and lotus. These are our national symbols. Tiger is our national animal. Our national animal is tiger. Next coming to 4 lions. 4 lions, they indicate our national emblem. Our national emblem belongs to the 4 lions. 4 lions is our national emblem. Next, lotus. Lotus is our national flower. Our national flower is lotus. See, as soon as you see these pictures, you have to think about our national symbols. Okay. Now coming to the continents. Yes. Do you know for which continent we belong to? Yes. All over in the world we have 7 continents. Namely Asia, Africa, Europe, Australia, North America, South America and Antarctica. These are the 7 continents in the world. In these 7 continents, we belong to the continent Asia. You can have a look in your textbook. On the left side, they have given the 7 continents. They have given the world map. In this world map, you can locate the India and you can identify to which continent it belongs to. So, we belong to the continent Asia. Now coming to a map. Children, have you ever seen a map? Yeah, you have seen a small sheet, Indian maps or world map. Did you see any time? Yes. Now, what is meant by map? The model of representing an area on a flat surface drawn to a scale is called as map. What is meant by map? See again, I am repeating. Map, the model of representing an area on a flat surface drawn to a scale. Means if you draw a map to certain dimensions, so for particular dimensions on a flat surface on a small scale, then it is known as map. So it is 2-dimensional. Means it is a 2-dimensional picture. Means you can see only on a plane surface you can see a map. Now coming to a globe. A globe is a 3-dimensional spherical model. Do you know what is meant by 3 dimension? Yes, if you can see a picture on 3 axes, then it is known as 3-dimensional picture. So, here is a globe. You can see the globe as a 3-dimensional picture. Okay? This is a globe. It represents the earth. The globe represents the earth. It gives clear view of real location of continents and oceans. The globe gives the clear location of continents and oceans. But we can't show all details on a globe. So we can use our map. Okay? So we can use our map. Now, a map is a portable. We can roll, we can fold it and we can take it along with us. Okay? But a globe, whereas a globe, we can't take a globe to somewhere. Okay, we can't take a globe or we can't identify all the details in a globe. Okay, that is the difference between a map and a globe. Now coming to the atlas. This is your atlas book, Nana. You can see, if you have any doubts, you can verify in the atlas. Okay, whatever continents, rivers, every details of our country and around the world, details, physical features, etc. will be there in the atlas. Okay, you can go through your atlas. Now see. Now see Nana, you have you have 3 books in your EVS. Okay, this is your course book. This is your course book. In this book, you can read the lesson. After taking my video, you can see the lesson and you can go through it once. Page number is 4. From 4th page onwards, it is there. Okay, you can read the lesson. Next, this is your workbook. This is your workbook. You have to write in this workbook, but not now. Until and unless we say, you should not put even a pencil in your books. Just keep it aside. If you want, you can go through only lesson. Only lesson reading is allowed. Don't write anything in your books. And this is your activity book. Can you see, Nana? Activity book. You have to do activities in this book. Okay? Whenever we say you need to do the activities. See, again I am saying, Nana, from first onwards. See, this is our country. Our country is India, and we are all called as Indians. The citizens of India are called as Indians. And next, the other name of India is Bharat. The other name of India is Bharat. Now here you can see the picture of continents, 7 continents. Yes, these are our national symbols. Our national symbol is, first symbol is tiger. This is our national animal. The second symbol is 4 lions. This is our national emblem. And next coming to this is lotus. This is our national flower. Okay. Now coming to 7 continents. This is the world map, and you can identify the continents. 7 continents I have written here now. Asia, Africa, Europe, Australia, North America, South America and Antarctica. Those 7 continents are there. In which continent we belong to? We belong to the continent Asia. Okay. Now coming to a map. A map is a model of representing an area on a flat surface drawn to a scale. It is 2-dimensional. Okay. Now coming to a globe. See, this is map. Okay. Wall hanging maps also will be there, Nana. Later if they are available, I will show you. And this is an atlas. This is, we can roll a map, we can hold it, and we can easily carry it. Okay, we can easily carry this map. But whereas a globe, we can't carry a globe to anywhere. So this is a globe, and this is 3-dimensional spherical model. And if you see a globe, what you can identify? This look like the earth. Okay. Now here, can you identify our India? See, our India is here. In which continent it belongs to? It belongs to Asia. Can you see, Nana? See, it represents the earth. Now, it gives a clear view of real location of continents and ocean. It just gives a clear view of continents and number of continents and oceans. Oceans also, see this blue colored space is there now. Here in the globe, those all oceans. Okay. See, what do you think? 3/4 of the globe is covered with water, right? Can you see? Only 1/4 part is only land. 3/4 is present as blue color, and this is water. Okay. Thank you, Nana. I'll give you a worksheet, and you need to write each word 5 times a day. Okay. See, you have to write these words. I have given you 7 continents now. You must write these words, each word 5 times a day. Okay. Now, see, I'll read again these continents names. You just learn how to read easily. I'll make. Okay. Asia, A-S-I-A, Asia. Africa, A-F-R-I-C-A, Africa. Next, Europe, E-U-R-O-P-E, Europe. Australia, A-U-S-T-R-A-L-I-A, Australia. North America, N-O-R-T-H, North America. A-M-E-R-I-C-A, America. South America, S-O-U-T-H, South, A-M-E-R-I-C-A, America, South America. Antarctica, An-A-N, Tar, T-A-R-C, Tar, Tica, T-I-C-A, Antarctica. Okay, Nana? Are you clear? Now did you write? Read and write 5 times each word. That is your worksheet, first worksheet for today. Where I should write? That's all. Okay, thank you.